for Apple Watch 42mm, designed to protect the 42mm for Apple Watch. Durable material. Cover for iWatch with high-quality and durable TPU material, holds the 42mm case for Apple Watch tightly. Easy installation. Flexible TPU make it easy to install, aluminum buttons make it easy access to all features. Full protection. Full edge coverage prevents all scratches, drops and bumps. Attention please, case only, for Apple Watch or band or screen protector are not included. Top reviews from the United States. I have been using this bumper on my watch for 3 years. It has been on my watch case the entire time, survived multiple home improvement projects and has protected my watch very well the entire time. The bumper aligns well with the buttons, microphone, and speaker on the watch case. My bumper is a tiny bit scuffed in places now, but this is due to my own carelessness and not a reflection on the bumper itself. The material has held up very well. It has not torn or cracked anywhere and also hasn't become brittle or gummy. I have noticed no degradation whatsoever in the durability or flexibility of the material. I use a curved screen protector to cover the entire face of the watch. The bumper is a little tricky to put on the watch case over this type of screen protector. The trick is to get your fingernails under the bumper and pull it over the last 2 corners of the screen protector. Otherwise it might get caught and pull the corners up. I would definitely buy this again, but even after 3 years, I have no reason to.